Hi guys, I'm James and welcome to Hamlets. Over the next 6 weeks, I'm going to be putting together some incredible cocktails for you to enjoy at home to make getting through lockdown that little bit easier and you can still get that Hamlets cocktail experience. This is the third of our pre-batches. If you haven't already seen our other two videos, go in and check those out. But today is my personal favorite. This is a Halloween and winter-inspired spiced candy apple cocktail. This one is a particular favorite of mine because you can enjoy it cold by just pouring it over ice straight from the fridge. Just give the bottle a little shake first, or pop it in your favorite mug, put it in the microwave, and you have a delicious hot spiced winter cocktail. We're going to start this one with some whiskey. We're going to be staying local for this, of course we are, and we're going to be using the West Cork bourbon cask, or if you're lucky, maybe the Blacks of Kinsale whiskey as well. So we're going to pop a good amount of that into our shaker tin. And then here we have a very special cinnamon simple syrup that we've made. Sugar, water, and we've infused it with some beautiful cinnamon. So I'm going to get a good amount of that. Pop it in there as well. And now, of course, you can't have spiced candy apple without apple. So we've got some fresh squeezed apple juice, no pulp or anything here. And we're going to slightly overpour a couple of measures of the apple juice there. Now there's a couple of extra ingredients that we're going to throw in here that really set this off and make it different. The first being this vanilla essence. This is incredibly strong, so we're only going to use a tiny bit. Pop that in. And then my personal favorite, the really important ingredient to this, it's spiced chocolate bitters. Really brings the whole thing home. So I'm going to throw a few dashes of that in there for you. And then what cocktail would be complete without a little citrus? So we're going ahead and squeezing some lemon in here for you as well. I need to get bigger lemons, I tell you. Every time, need to. Just a little squeeze on that one. Perfect. We pop that in there as well. Now, so I'm going to do the hard part for you. I'm going to shake it, bottle it. So all you've got to do is take it home, heat it up, or serve it over ice. I'm going to show you those perfect serves in just a second. Let's get some ice into our shaker. And give this a good old shake. That should do it for this one. And then, if you want to serve this cold, grab your favorite rocks glass or any short glass that you've got at home and just strain it straight in. But my personal favorite method is the hot option. I'm going to show you right now. So this is my preferred method. You can do it in a latte glass. You can do it in your favorite mug. Just really get that hot. You can even throw a cinnamon stick, maybe an apple slice in there if you really want that Hamlet's at home experience. But for me, that is absolutely perfect. I promise you, I'm taking one of these home with me tonight. Cheers. Stay safe during lockdown, and I'm sure we'll see you soon.